lifestyle sessions for Rotarians, families, and the community that surrounds you. Number two, for me, I think it all has to start from our own club. So risk profiling of Rotarians and their families, something that has not been done. Because only if the Rotarians are healthy, can we do something. A healthy Rotarian is a wealthy Rotarian. A healthy Rotarian is a performing Rotarian. So I think it should all start from us. We must look after our own health. The risk profiling of Rotarians and their families, every club should do that exercise. Number three, cancer awareness session and early detection. Concentrating on lifestyle as a method to prevent cancer. Am I right? Fourth, mental health awareness for parents and teachers in schools and college students, telling them about depression, creating an awareness about depression and all those problems, the stressors. Number five, every club should associate with a hospital and do a CPR project for the Rotarians and their families and also associations around. You can do 3 or 4. And the last one is kidney disease prevention, which should actually concentrate on diabetes and proper management of diabetes. And I have just one more point to add: sensible use of medications. I mean, this is something that there are a lot of myths. So these are the important things. So I have given you 6 possible ideas to work on, and if each club does at least 3 or 4 of this, you will be doing justice to that verticals under the project Satrangi. Thank you very much to all of you, and thank you very much.